Today we are going to be testing out a budget-friendly towel warmer on Amazon to see whether or not they're worth buying. The one I have here is from Kawsar. It's a 20-liter towel warmer with an LED display, a 24-hour timer, and it claims to heat up your towels in less than 6 minutes. This warmer comes in just under $80. I'm excited that Kawsar sent this to me to review because I'll thoroughly be going over the features, the settings, and the heat timer inside this video. Starting at the top, it features a lockable lid that also has a place for an aromatherapy disc. We get a standard 20-liter basin and an LCD display with 3 physical buttons. To turn it on, you press on the power button. You'll then have 5 seconds to either set a delay start or set your timer amount. You click the middle button to start setting your delayed start. You can go anywhere from 30 minutes all the way up to 24-hour of a delay start. So if you want your towels warm in the morning, you could set it to delay start right around the time that you take a shower. The other button is your timer. You can switch it between 30, 60, and 90 minutes. This is going to be your run timer. Once that's set, it will start a countdown, and you can press on the power button to switch it between low, medium, and high heat. Low heat will heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit and maintain the temperature at 140. Medium heats up to 239 degrees Fahrenheit and maintains 158 degrees. And finally, high heat will heat up to 266 degrees Fahrenheit and maintain 176 degrees. This right here is going to be your live temperature, and just for fun, let's go ahead and test it out with my thermometer. It says 210 degrees Fahrenheit on the outside. I'll turn on the thermometer gun here. Let's see what we get. We have 101 degrees. Now that could be due to not having the lid on, so I'll put the lid on and then we'll test it one more time. It is now showing 210 degrees Fahrenheit. We're on low mode, so let's open up the lid and test the temperature once more. We got 134.6 degrees. So what that tells me is that this is not going to be an accurate number, but the maintained temperature for low was pretty accurate. It's supposed to maintain a temperature of 140 degrees on low, and it was at 134, which is pretty close. My next test was to see how many full-size towels I could fit into the warmer. I was able to fit 3 adult-sized towels into the warmer with a little bit of room to spare. For the final test, I wanted to see how hot the towels got after a minute of warming and after the full 6 minutes of warming. Both of these tests were done on high mode. After 1 minute, the towels read 78.5 degrees. I put the lid back on and let them sit for another 5 minutes. After 6 minutes, the towels ranged anywhere from 180s to 190s in the temperature range, so that tells me that you have to wait about 6 minutes to get the full effect of these towel warmers. When it's all said and done with, I personally find that these towel warmers do work and they are worth buying. You just have to keep in mind that the thermostat on the LCD screen may not be the actual temperature inside of the warmer. However, it still works and it still warms up those towels to a great temperature to use after a shower. The 20-liter does fit up to 4 towels, but if you can afford a 40-liter size towel warmer, I would recommend that one over a 20-liter. If you're interested in checking out the one I reviewed inside this video, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below this video inside the description. That is going to be an affiliate link, and if you use it, it does help out the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name is David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos in the home and tech niches. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my next review.